Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Delicious Cooking. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make salmon curry in easy way. So without wasting time, let's start. So first heat the skillet over medium with the 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add the salmon cubes to it. So we will cook the salmon until golden. So keep changing the position of the cubes so that it will be cooked from all the sides. So continuously changing the position of the salmon. So here you can see it turned out in golden color. So here I am using some kasuri methi to it, so it will hit the different taste. You can skip this step if you don't want to. So now we will cook it for 2 more minutes. So here the cubes are ready, so take them out. So in the same skillet add some oil and then add diced onion to it. Stir it and cook it until soft and brown. Then add ginger garlic paste to it. So mix it well and cook until fragrant. So then add the diced tomatoes in it and cook it until soft as well. So after you get this texture, add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add this according to your taste. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili red powder and half teaspoon of degi red chili powder. So mix all the spices well. So and then add some water to it. So I'm using half cup of water. Mix it well and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Here you can see our gravy is ready. So it soaked all the water. So if you don't want this thick gravy, you can add some more water into it. So I'm adding half cup of water again. So now we need to cook it for 4 to 5 minutes more. So after 4-5 minutes you can see, so this is the perfect gravy. We can check it with the help of spatula. So now we can add the salmon pieces to it. So add all the salmon cubes to it. Then you can add some fresh cream on the top if you want to. So then you can mix it. So here our salmon curry is ready. So guys, if you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Thank you.